In a bright, happy forest lived a little fox named Foxy. He loved exploring.
Look, Sky!
The apple was a beautiful, bright color. It was red.
Chirp!
The leaves all around him were a fresh, lovely green.
Next, they found a cheerful flower in the grass. It was as bright as the sun. Yellow!
They both looked up at the big, wide sky.
Wow, the sky is blue.
Their wise teacher owl flew down.
Whoa!
Hello. I see you are learning about colors today. Let's say all the colors together now. 4 colored dots started to float around him magically.
Everyone looked at the red apple and the green leaves. Red, green.
Then they looked at the flower and the sky above. Yellow, blue, yellow, blue.
Foxy and Sky were so proud. Colors are everywhere and make the world beautiful.
Colors are everywhere. Bye-bye.